Alright, just real quick before we get started, I want to show you guys the weather that's more than likely about to hit. It is back over here in this direction. That don't look fun. Over there, pretty good. Over there, not so much. So let's see if we can knock this out pretty quick.
3,000 RPM. That's 3,000 right there.
Okay guys, so this is a few days later. I was able to actually break the weld on the bolt holding the baffle in, so I was able to get the baffle out of the exhaust. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the bike turned on here. I'm actually at work right now, but just start the bike up so you guys can hear it. As you can hear, it is quite a bit better. I'll go ahead and rev it a couple times for you guys. But that is that. So I will keep you guys posted on the next thing that I do to the bike. But I'm very happy with this purchase from Akrapovic. Take care, guys.